Hello students, till now we have seen how to model a system, how to find a transfer function for a system, okay, and now it is time to see how the system responds or how the system performs, okay. In order to obtain time based performances, okay, time domain responses, we need to apply certain inputs to verify the output or to know how the system performs. There are few standard test signals available to know the time domain responses. Okay, in this class we will see the standard test signals for that. Okay, the standard test signals are namely step, ramp, parabolic, and impulse. Now we will see one by one about the standard test signals and how to represent those signals mathematically as well as graphically, right? So first let us take step. What do you mean by step? Whenever we say step, staircase comes into our mind, right? How a staircase will look, right? How do we move about? We walk here, there is a sudden change in height, then we walk, there is a sudden change in height, right? So whenever we say step, it denotes a sudden change. What changes? The magnitude, okay? So when there is a sudden change in magnitude, it is called as a step. There is a sudden change and that particular magnitude remains, okay, for some period of time. That is called as a step. So when we draw it mathematically, step will be represented by this is the magnitude r of t and this is your time, okay. So there is a sudden change in the magnitude to a and that magnitude a remains for t greater than or equal to 0. So when you write it mathematically, what we will write? R of t is equal to a for t greater than or equal to 0 and for t less than 0 it is 0, okay. So this is how the mathematical formula is. And now we have a magnitude of a here, okay. If this magnitude becomes 1, then it is called as a unit step. So unit step will be, so when a is equal to 1, we call it as a unit step, okay. So unit step is represented by u of t, okay. Next we will see what a ramp is. Whenever we say ramp, what comes into your mind? A slope, a ramp. Ramp is a where there is a slopey surface where we move, right? On a slopey surface or when there is a gradual change in magnitude, right? A slope is nothing but there is a gradual change in magnitude, that is called as a ramp, right? So what is a ramp signal? A ramp signal is a signal in which the magnitude changes gradually, okay. So to represent this mathematically, this is our signal r of t and this is t, okay. 1 means 1, 2 means 2, okay. So in general this ramp input r of t is given by AT. Okay, in general it is given by AT for t greater than or equal to 0 and 0 for t less than 0. Okay, now if A is equal to 1, when A is equal to 1, then we call it as a unit ramp. Unit ramp is nothing but R of t is equal to just t for t greater than or equal to 0 and 0 for t less than 0. Okay, so this is ramp. Next, what do we have? We have parabolic, right? What does that parabolic means? A parabolic increases with the square of time. Okay, so a parabolic is nothing but R of t is equal to a t squared by 2 for t greater than or equal to 0 and it is 0 for t less than 0. Okay, and here if a is equal to 1, it is called as unit parabolic, right? Then what else we have? We have impulse. What is an impulse? Impulse is nothing but a sudden increase in magnitude and only for that particular time instant. Okay, if the magnitude increases for at one particular time instant, then it is called as an impulse. So R of t is equal to a for t equal to 0 and it is 0 otherwise. Okay, and when a is equal to 1, it is called as a unit impulse. So a equal to 1 is called as a unit impulse and unit impulse is given by delta of t. Okay, unit impulse is given by delta of t. Now see, let us write the Laplace transform of each and everything. Okay, for step, Laplace transform is a by s, and for unit step it is 1 by s. Okay, for ramp it is a by s square, and for unit ramp 1 by s square. For parabolic it is a by s cube, and unit parabolic one by s cube. Okay, and what about impulse? Laplace transform is 1. Okay, so these are nothing but Laplace transforms. Okay, Laplace transform of signals. Okay.